Alright, so now let's make an atmospheric bed, but this time we'll use the samples as a wavetable in Serum. Let's see which one. Let's take something unorthodox and this weird sound. Put it in the FFT 2048, but it's whatever you feel more like. So there's a bunch of sounds here. Let's normalize it first. Now let's crossfade them so it's more smooth. It's maybe even spectral. So first of all, so let's do it even a bit more complicated, and let's add a sinus wave, and what we'll do, we'll FM the sine wave with this waveform that we put in. So as you can hear, this already can use that as a FM kind of sound and bass stuff, whatever. But let's make a pad out of it. Alright, so what we can do to make it smoother is I'm gonna remove these, yeah, and now we can all right, so now we have this two wavetables, and it's fading. The wavetable positioning fades between the one and the first and the last one. So now it sounds smooth like we wanted. Now I can add modulation. Okay, now we have something going. Let's maybe change the sine wave. And maybe let's make it simple, but just add some harmonics to the sine wave. Okay, now it's more interesting. Now we can filter it. And after that, now we can have some interesting processing. So it will be a nice sound. First of all, let's EQ it a little bit. Maybe let's add some effects in Serum. Maybe change the unison mode. Make it just add some stuff, distortion to it. We added some stereo effect. That's just whatever you can think of that can make it change and be alive and move and be more interesting. As you can see, sometimes small stuff can add to the sound. You don't have to be very violent about processing. But also don't forget to experiment and try new stuff. As you can see, I'm trying stuff. I don't really know what I want, but I'm experimenting, and it's fun to find new stuff. Now I added like a formant layer beneath it. And after that, we can add some more processing. This effect is just a bunch of frequency shifting, really small amount, chorus, saturation, everything in small amount, just to make it more stereo and less harsh. If I'll just turn down distortion. And now to top it, maybe let's add some last movement. And a bit of a delay. Let's add a delay and a reverb together. Kind of want to accentuate some of the Okay, so now we have this sound. So now we have two atmospheric sounds, one that we made in sampler and now one in Serum. And both of them using some regular samples that doesn't necessarily sounds like you could make sounds like that out of it. So after tuning it a little bit more, here's how it sounds.